Did you know your gut has a mind of its own? Seriously. And stress isn't just in your head, messes with your gut big time. It's all thanks to something called the gut-brain axis, a direct communication line between your brain and your digestive system. When you're stressed, your brain sends out alarm signals that can cause all sorts of chaos down there, like bloating, cramps, and even messing up the good bacteria that keep you healthy. You might notice this as digestive issues like IBS, that constant bloated feeling, or even changes in your appetite, like suddenly not wanting to eat or craving everything in sight. Sound familiar? But here's the good news: you can fight back. Simple things like a few minutes of mindfulness or meditation can work wonders. Boost your gut with prebiotics and probiotics from foods like yogurt and bananas. And don't forget the power of good old-fashioned exercise and a solid night's sleep. And don't forget the basics. Regular exercise and a good night's sleep are non-negotiable for a happy gut. If you want a healthier gut, start by managing your stress. For more wellness tips, hit that subscribe button. Thanks for watching.